Good morning and welcome to the daily weather operations brief. Starting off the day with temperatures already in the mid 60s, similar to the previous days here on the shore. And we are seeing some light and variable winds as a front is moving through the area here, and that's going to continue to be the case for the next hour or so until winds do shift to be more so out of the northeast. And as a result of that front passing through, we'll also see some increasing winds on the backside, in which we may have to see a wind advisory moving through the afternoon. Otherwise, should be a mostly fair weather day with plenty of cloud cover and even the slight chance of a sprinkle passing through in the afternoon hours, and rain chances will then begin building as we move into the early morning hours of tomorrow. Taking a quick look at the radar for this morning, looking good, clear of any reflectivity, and DBZs indicating that we have any precipitation in the immediate area. We should be good on that trend for at least the next 4 or 5 hours, and if we don't see some light showers move through, then that should hold through all the way into the after midnight hours tonight. Looking at our surface analysis chart here, we do have that cold front just to the north of our area, and it's making its way south right now. We also have high pressure off the coast that is giving us the southwesterly flow that is currently shifting or underway of shifting. As mentioned earlier, should be out of the northeast within the next hour or so. And as a result, those winds picking up throughout the day. Gusts should be coming close to that wind advisory threshold, but as mentioned earlier, afternoon should be mostly dry and hold off on any rain until later tomorrow morning. We'll see overrunning moisture solidly start coming into the area, and those rain chances are going to steadily increase throughout the day tomorrow, starting around daybreak and tomorrow morning. We may even see a slight chance of a thunderstorm during that time. But as for our current observations out here on the field, we do have broken conditions at 8,500 feet and at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibility. Winds are out of the southwest at about 4 knots, turning variable as of recent, and temperature currently sits at 76 degrees and a relative humidity of 78%. Now, if we take a look at the satellite imagery here, we can clearly see where that front lies, indicated with all that cloud cover continuing to push into the area. That cloud cover is going to begin building in and eventually turn overcast in the evening hours of tonight. And we can also see that front pretty clearly defined here on the model run. This is the HRRR on a 24-hour loop, in which we see around 4 a.m. tomorrow some showers there moving into the area. Some look like they could be a little stronger. Not an incredible chance of lightning, but certainly on the table. But in general, just seeing scattered showers to the west and north of the area for much of the day. For the 24-hour forecast for the day ahead, seeing those broken conditions throughout the daylight hours today, see increasing clouds once we reach midnight, and after that, rain becomes much more likely. Winds for today starting off light, gradually increasing and gusting into the teens, and then by noon should be gusting near wind advisory criteria, so some color on the board for seeing that. And that trend will continue throughout the evening into tomorrow morning, of which the winds increase to about 25 knots, and at that point, that wind advisory becomes much more likely. Temperatures today looking to climb into the upper 70s here shortly, and then behind that front, things are going to cool off pretty quickly. Overall, should be a decent day here, a little breezy, plenty of clouds, but the rain should hold off until later on. For the short-term forecast here on Friday, looking to be cloudy and windy with a chance of rain showers, a high of 74. Friday night, cloudy and breezy with a chance of rain showers, low of 56, and cloudy and slightly breezy and a chance of showers on Saturday, high around 60. We'll also see the chance of seeing some low-level cloud cover each day as we move through the next 2 days. And that's going to wrap up the daily weather operations brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock with the 7-day outlook. Hope everyone has a wonderful morning.